Hello, this is Dr. Singer, and we're going to do a relaxation meditation for the relief of headaches. Before you begin, take note of how you're feeling. Notice your headache. If you were to rate the severity of the headache, with 0 being no pain at all and 10 being the worst imaginable pain, what rating would you assign right now? Rate your headache from 0 to 10. And when you're ready, find a comfortable position, sitting in a supportive chair or lying down. Whatever is best for you right now in this moment. Just start to relax your body with some gentle stretches. During this guided imagery, please stop or ease up if you experience pain or discomfort of any kind. Listen to your body. Make sure to stretch gently and safely. So begin by closing your eyes and taking a breath in and breath out, just to have 1 or 2 relaxing breaths. And when you're ready, begin by lowering your left ear toward your left shoulder, and then return to center, and lower your right ear toward your right shoulder, and return to center. Let's repeat that. Leaning left, bringing your left ear toward your left shoulder, and then returning to center. And again, your right ear toward your right shoulder, and bringing that back up. And we'll repeat that one more time. Bring your left ear toward your left shoulder, return to center, and lower your right ear toward your right shoulder, just far enough so as not to experience any discomfort, and then bring it back to center. Now, lower your chin toward your chest. Allow the weight of your head to stretch the back of your neck with your muscles relaxed, no force. Just allow your head to hang forward. And keeping your head forward, roll slightly to the left and upward, and back to center. Now slightly to the right and upward. Your head will move left to right, tracing a slight U shape. Left, forward, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward. Now return to neutral position. And with your eyes still closed, if that's comfortable for you, if you want, you can open your eyes. It's really up to you. But if your eyes are closed, pretend that you're looking up and gently lean your head back to stretch the front of your neck. You're going to lean that head back just to the point where it doesn't hurt, taking care of yourself, honoring yourself in this moment, and then feeling that stretch and returning to neutral, and doing it one more time. Looking up, stretching, relaxing, returning to neutral. Now I'd like you to bring your shoulders up toward your ears. Hold. Now lower your shoulders and bring them even lower still. And return to neutral. Repeat this one more time, raising your shoulders up and then lowering them. And now relax your shoulders into a low neutral position. Now shake your shoulders front to back by bringing your left shoulder back a short distance while you move your right shoulder forward a small amount. And then move your right shoulder back and the left one forward, and repeat this sort of rapidly, shaking, shake, shake, shake. Relax your shoulders now. Feel the tension leaving your body as you relax. Notice the beginning of headache relief as your muscles relax and let go. We're going to focus on breathing now. So I'd like you to breathe in deeply and feel the air in your lungs as you breathe in, helping you to relax and soothe you. And then exhale fully, breathing out all the air, just relaxing even more as you breathe out. Take another breath in and out, and in again and out. Just continue to breathe deeply for a moment or two. And as you breathe in, imagine that you are breathing in relaxation right to your head, right to where the pain is located. And when you breathe out, imagine exhaling away tension in your mind, in your body, and just direct your breath to this area. Now imagine that your feet are warm and becoming even warmer. Feel the warmth increasing in your feet and in your legs. Notice your hands and imagine that the palms of your hands are warming, and picture your hands becoming warm and heavy. Your arms are also becoming warm and relaxed. Your arms and legs are very heavy, very warm, very relaxed. And allow the warmth in your arms and legs to increase warmer and warmer. And turn your attention to your forehead. And imagine that your forehead is smooth and cool. And feel the coolness on your forehead, as if a block of ice is a few inches away from your skin. And you can feel the cool air from the ice moving gently across the skin of your forehead. Your forehead feels quite cool. You can feel that the ice is very near, but it does not touch your skin. Now allow the feeling of coolness to move along the surface of your face and head. Starting from your eyebrows, feel the cool air on your eyelids and cheeks. Feel the coolness spreading to the top of your head, the sides of your head, the back of your head. So pleasant and cool. The coolness provides headache relief. And now I'd like to invite you to imagine wrapping your head in a cool, wet cloth. Imagine the first strip of cloth laying across your forehead, then above your left ear, around the back of your head, above your right ear, over your forehead again. Imagine wrapping your head completely and comforting, soothing coolness. It's wrapped fairly tightly, and the pressure feels good. It pushes away the pain you are experiencing, leaving only a calming, firm touch. It's very cool. And imagine that the cloth that wraps your head becomes slightly looser, and feel your body relaxing just as the cloth is relaxing. You can barely feel the cloth on your skin now as it becomes looser still. You are feeling very comfortable, very relaxed. Let a feeling of relaxation begin at the top of your head. And it might feel heavy or light, it might feel tingly. Just feel the relaxation at the top of your head. Allow the feeling of relaxation to grow and expand with each breath you take. The air you breathe in adds to the relaxation. Calm and relaxation that you are experiencing allows you to experience headache relief. The relaxation is like a bubble of peace and calm, growing larger and larger as more relaxation is added each time you breathe in. The area around the relaxation gets smaller with each breath out as you exhale any feelings of tension. Let the relaxation grow, spreading to your eyebrows, your eyelids, your eyes, and cheeks, your nose, your mouth, your chin. Feel the relaxation filling up the space inside your head, relaxing the top of your head, the back of your head, the sides of your head, your ears. Feel the very top of your neck relaxing, and the tingly feeling of relaxation spreading down the back of your neck, the sides of your neck, the front of your neck, your shoulders. With each breath, imagine the relaxation filling your body more and more, growing downwards from your shoulders, reaching the level of your elbows and belly button. Relaxation growing, reaching the level of your hips, your knees, all the way down to your feet. Your entire body is loose, comfortable, heavy, relaxed. Feel any pain or discomfort dissipating, dissolving, becoming smaller and smaller as the relaxation grows. You can become even more deeply relaxed as you focus again on your breathing. Do not try to change anything. Simply notice your breathing and focus your attention on each breath. So for the next bit of time, simply repeat, I am, each time you inhale, and relaxed each time you exhale. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Continue on your own now. As your thoughts wander, simply return your attention to the words you are repeating in this imagery. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. relaxed. I am relaxed. You are deeply relaxed now. And let your thoughts drift for a few moments as you simply enjoy the feeling of relaxation. Enjoy the feeling of headache relief, complete and total relaxation, peace, calm, pleasant headache relief, peaceful and relaxed. You have completed the relaxation for headache guided imagery, and you can choose now to become alert and awake or drift off to sleep. I will count from 5 to 1. If you choose to reawaken, become more alert with each number until at 1 you fully are awake. If you decide to sleep, you can drift off as I count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.